Welcome to beautiful Florence, Alabama, right on the Tennessee River. I decided I needed a long weekend, so I decided to bring my brand new Rockwood GeoPro 19 FPS down to McFarland Marina for a long weekend of reading, getting some work done, and hanging out with my dog. And you'll find out later in the video, I'm also living the RV life right now. And I figured with this great view, there's no better time than now to do an inspection of my roof and show you guys exactly how to do one. Well, take a good look at my new home. You may not know this about me recently, but I sold my house recently and I bought this travel trailer here, and this is what I'm living in, so that's my new home. So in this video, you're going to get to see a roofing contractor like myself do an inspection on the roof up here to make sure no water's coming in. We got a big storm coming in tonight, even though it's a beautiful day today. And I'm going to show you a little bit about living the trailer trash lifestyle and the beautiful state of Alabama while we're at it. All right, the first thing I'm going to say to you is be careful. It's going to be dangerous getting on top of here. So you want to be careful and have soft-soled shoes and make sure it's not wet. All right, we are up on the roof. Now the biggest thing is we are going to be checking all the penetrations coming from the roof. Now we're not going to spend any time talking about all the different types of roofing because there's a lot of different ones on the RV. Damn, what a beautiful sunset. So we're not going to spend a lot of time talking about it, but really what we're going to be looking is make sure there's no holes in any of the penetrations and none of the sealing up here has went bad. So the first thing we're going to check is the outside up here, and then we're going to check all of our penetrations here. So if you look on the outside, it looks like I do have one little guy right here. If you can see, that probably needs to be resealed. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit what kind of sealant that I would use. But it overall looks good. I mean, maybe a tiny little bit of water could get in there. This has drainage, so these are like little gutters right here too. All right, all this looks good here. No problems with those. All this looks good. I got no problem with those. Now I do have a walkable roof, so be careful if you are climbing on your RV to do an inspection that you also have a walkable roof. Okay, on my skylight, this is the thing on the residential side and commercial side of regular roofing that always leaks. So this is the thing I'm always interested in the most. So we got a small mark crack there, no big deal though. Overall, this looks fine. The biggest thing is I'm looking for all the screws have caulking around them, and then this is completely sealed. Same thing over here. Everything looks good. All right, everything looks good here. I'm actually gonna be adding another solar panel soon, so I'm gonna be screwing holes in my own roof soon, but all this looks good. You see how these are installed. Okay. Now we're gonna walk up. Look at here. All right, I don't really have an issue on these screws. These probably have some type of O-rings around them, which is probably why they don't leak. And you want to be able to take these in and out. So adding sealant to this is just going to make it where you can't take off. This is my Wi-Fi Ranger, which is a kind of cool feature. All right, now we're going to check the front here. You can see where the roof and this front piece comes together. Yep, all that looks good. All this around the edge looks fine. We're going to check those last two penetrations right here. Overall, the roof's in great condition. Should. It's almost a brand new trailer. And this looks good, and that looks good. So you can see here, they're actually sealed, and then they put down the screws on top of it, so giving it a double sealant, and that looks good up there. All right, the last thing I'm going to check is, so I didn't do it right when I first came up, is the ladders. Looks like we got a small little hole right there. So again, that's not a big deal because it's not like right here on the penetration, but I'll probably get some sealant just to clean those up to make sure we don't have any future leaks. Well, that's it. As you can see, it's very important to check the top of your RV and your roof up there to make sure that your RV or travel trailer doesn't have any leaks, all the sealant looks good, because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that all the water and moisture stays on the outside of your RV or travel trailer and do not allow it to get inside. Now, I'm about to go enjoy this beautiful sunset, even though it's really, really cold out, because like I said, weather's going to suck tomorrow. But if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And as always, at Gentle Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a good day.